this is where we're starting.
Let me see. Let's head that way.
Okay.
Just remember, don't hesitate.
And with that, the pilgrimage is now underway. Time for the contestants to give it their all.
I just saw a brick that wasn't properly stacked. What should I do?
Oh, a fire tower! And an unoccupied one from the looks of it. Be on the lookout for an ambush. Careful, we've got company!
Kachina. Looks like we've got ourselves
All
an
right,
easy start.
let's finish this fast. Perfect timing. We've got to fight to generate contending fire in the first place. So let's go. Winner takes all, loser gets lost.
Tide rises!
Amazing!
This was new. Let's finish this next time.
That was quick. Out of the way or get blown away.
Let's shred, Sharpie!
We won!
We're just getting started. Grab the fire and let's head to the next spot.
Currently in the lead, we have Chaska, one of the contestants of the Flower Feather clan, really leaving her competitors in the dust. Amaru has taken out 6 contestants in a row! What a legendary competitor! But can his hot streak continue?
Oh, well, aren't you two an interesting duo?
How did these monsters make it onto the grounds?
It's part of the tournament. If you can't handle a few monsters, how are you supposed to repel the abyss? Look, why don't we handle these monsters first? Then we can battle it out between ourselves.
Need a surfboard? Check this out! Best of luck!
Skills aren't half bad. But I think I've got a good grasp of what you can do. Sorry, but not everyone can make it until the end. Your run ends here!
Need a surfboard? Ha! What's the surfboard? Off we go! Ha! Oh! No! Let her rip! Nicely done, Kajina!
We actually beat a legend!
Come on, don't just stand there. Let's grab the fire and go!
We have a new team pulling ahead! Mualani and Kachina have already eliminated several favorites for the win!
I knew someone would show up! Hand over the sacred fire and no one gets hurt! Put up a good fight.
Amazing!
Let's finish this next time.
Here goes!
Out of the way or get blown away!
I'm fine! Clear the area! Woohoo! Let's shred, Sharky! Need a surfboard? Ah, watch the surfboard!
Out of the way or get blown away!
Look at this! 2 favorites for the win! Itzna and Unkunga have run into each other. Looks like it's gonna be an early goodbye for one of these formidable competitors.
This mountain is huge. Is the next tower really all the way up there? It's going to take forever to make it to the top. Just leave it to me. I'll get us up there. Ah, we made it! Great work, Kachina. Glad I could help. An empty fire tower.
Come on! Show me your
We're too late.
Darn it! So close!
And another competitor crosses the finish line. Ian-san from the Collective of Plenty, certainly living up to some lofty expectations.
Out of the way or get blown away!
Oh, chill out! Faster! Let's ride! Catch an epic wave! Watch the surf... Let's ride!
Kachina, is that you? I'm sorry about this, but since we ran into each other, I can't just let you pass.
Hold it right there! That fire is mine! In your dreams, I think someone needs a reality check, and I'm more than happy to oblige. I'd like to see you try. Hey! Comes no way I'm letting this fool work out from under us. Let's go.
Carving waves!
Let's round them up!
Let's ride! Check this out! Best of luck! We've collected enough sacred fire. Still doing all right, Kachina? Yep, all good. Come on, let's head back to the stadium.
Time's almost up!
All right, let's finish this back.
Uh-oh, we're running out of time. Wait, there's a spirit way over there. We can ride... Get back! We really lucked out! Just grab onto me, Kachina. I'm not sure if you remember, but people from my tribe can ride spiritways over great distances. It's all smooth sailing from here.
Thanks, Milani.
Hey, what are you thanking me for? We won as a team. There's no way I could have taken on that many people without you. Have a little faith in yourself. You're already a great warrior. Oh, those were some steep curves. You're not scared, are you?
I'm fine. I don't scare easily. Not after that last ride you took me on.
Oh, yeah! Back when we first met, right? I accidentally knocked over your piece of cake, then offered to take you spiritway surfing to make up for it.
Actually, I was feeling pretty down that day. My training didn't go well, and... Anyway, you really cheered me up. Milani, I really want to win this time. I want to win this pilgrimage and become a true warrior.
That's what I like to hear. Let's meet each other at the top and
If your team has gathered enough fire, please proceed to the stadium as...
Congratulations, Milani! Amazing! Congratulate!
Keep it up, Mulani!
Kachina!
Kachina!
Woo!
You two can take a short break while the team stage comes to a close. After that, we'll proceed to the next stage.
You two are assigned to different